In this video, we'll learn about Google's Circumventing Systems Policy and why it's critical to follow these guidelines. Circumventing Systems Policy does not allow engaging in practices that circumvent or interfere with Google's advertising systems and processes, or attempts to do so. Examples of violative actions include cloaking, repeated policy violations across your accounts, creating new accounts after a previous suspension decision, submitting false information as part of a verification program, and more. Cloaking is the practice of showing different content to users than to Google to hide things that might violate our policies. For example, displaying Google-compliant content initially, which later switches to non-compliant content for users. Making it hard for Google to review your websites or ads. Advertising A, but showing B. Redirecting users to banned sites. Using dynamic DNS to swap content. Multiple account abuse policy refers to violating our policies and spreading badness across multiple accounts to bypass policies or show non-compliant content. Examples include creating numerous accounts with fake email addresses or being linked to accounts previously suspended for violations. Why is circumventing systems harmful? Circumventing systems is harmful as it misleads users and creates a frustrating experience, masks violative content, risks user safety, violates fair competition, harms integrity of our system. Best practices for avoiding policy violations. To avoid policy violations, ensure Google can review your pages, avoid hiding non-compliant content, only use Google-approved click trackers, and regularly scan for hacked content. For more information, go to the Google Ads Help Center.